Well, it's shaping up to be quite a beautiful day out, right?
It really is, Jessica. This morning we had temperatures drop into the 50s. It was a really comfortable way to start things off. And it looks like as we go through the afternoon now, we can expect to see a lot of sunshine too. So that should help to warm us a little bit more than yesterday, I expect. Here's the Port Neal Welding Company Skycam HD with crystal clear blue skies overhead. We'll check things out to the east on the Edwards Storm Lake Skycam HD. Here's a look at your allergy report right now, and the pollen levels overall are in the medium range, but you can see that weeds, trees, and grasses are thankfully on the lower end. Right now in Sioux City, the sunshine is shining out there. 73 degrees for your temperature. We have a dew point of 53 degrees and an east and southeast wind, which is currently blowing at 9 miles per hour. As we get a check of the local temperatures, many of us have already ascended into the 70s with 71 in Wayne and 72 for Yankton and also in Norfolk at this hour. You can see further to the south, 74-degree high temperatures right now in Tacoma and also in Fremont and Omaha too. So some very comfortable weather across the entirety of the region. One of the points that we want to show out is that we have dew points right now in the lower 50s, so it's much drier in terms of the air compared to yesterday when we had those dew points further towards the 60s and 70 degrees. Here's a look at your winds right now coming from the east and southeast, right around 10 to 15 miles per hour. A light breeze out there too, and that will help us to warm up. Let's get a look at our satellite and radar picture. We'll get a look at the national view. And you can see some showers and storms that are banding together through the central portion of the nation, and also some showers and storms further off to our west, which look to bring us a chance of some rain tonight. But the feature we want to point out is further to the south, approaching the Texas coastline. As you can see, we have Tropical Storm Bill continuing to spin to the north and northwest, and it's carrying some heavy rain. It looks to drop maybe as much as half a foot or so for some of those coastal communities near Houston, and it also appears to have some 50-mile-per-hour winds. So an unfortunate storm there, as they've already gotten plenty of rain through Texas. Here's your Stormcast HD, focusing a little bit closer to home. An area of low pressure is based just to our west and northwest. That looks to spin up some showers and thunderstorms, but as they approach, they kind of fall apart as they move towards Sioux City, and it looks like overall our rain is going to be very limited here as we go through tonight and tomorrow. You can see here at 7 a.m., draped off of this system, a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms, and those will move through, and we can expect to see dry conditions again on Thursday with mostly sunny skies. So not a whole lot of activity, but during the overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning is when we have the chance of seeing some showers and storms. In addition to that, there is a marginal risk of severe weather. You can see at the top of your screen that's the lowest of the 5 categories for anticipated severe weather, so it's not out of the cards completely that 1 or 2 of these storms do become severe overnight and tomorrow. Today looks to be a beautiful day, 81 degrees, increasing clouds later on, but mostly sunny overall. 63 for the overnight low. More clouds, an isolated shower or thunderstorm is possible with a southeast wind of 5 to 10. And moving into tomorrow, a little bit warmer than today, more of a west and southwest flow to the winds with a high temperature of 85 degrees. Mostly cloudy, warm, and muggy, maybe a stray shower or storm early. Let's get a look at the 7-day forecast here. 81 for the high temperature today with mostly sunny skies. And we'll have some additional cloud cover on Wednesday, a high of 85. Temperatures bounce around a little bit, but generally staying within that 80 to 85 degree range. The exception there is on Saturday and Monday of next week. You can see the temperatures rising a little bit further. And we also have some rain chances through the weekend, including Father's Day on Sunday, a 20% chance of showers and storms. And make sure to pick up one of the NOAA weather radios. It's a great way to stay informed on all the severe weather. Those are available at all area Hy-Vee stores for a great price.
Yes, and download our apps. I can't stress that enough. If you do have a smartphone, our apps are free, and it is so nice, especially when we're not working. It's so nice to get those notifications and just be aware of what's going on. So.
Yeah, you know, it looks like we're going to have a few overnight showers and storms tonight. Say some lightning or thunder wakes you up. You can just go on the app, look at the radar. It's a great tool to have.
Yes, thanks so much.